Let me quickly show you how to use the Gmail scheduling feature. For example, if you're trying to send an email after 3 hours and you don't have time after 3 hours, you can schedule it right now. To do that, make sure you compose an email, type in anything that you need, and right here besides the send option, you'll have this downwards arrow, which is the more option. Click on the schedule send option, and this way you can schedule your date and time. Click on the select date and time option. Now, if you want to schedule it for today, you can select the exact time right here and then click on schedule send. If you don't want to send it today and if you want to send it some other day, make sure you select the appropriate date and the time as well, and you can just click on schedule send. This way your email will be sent on the exact date and time that you just selected. So that's all there is in scheduling emails inside of Gmail. If this video was helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.